Okay, so this is a quick review on how you're going to write an equation given 2 points. So this is from the Pixel Art. Problem number 1, you were given the 2 points 1, 2, and 4, 11. So first thing you need to do is the slope formula, which you should know by now is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And the 1 and 2 stand for points. So you can see this y2, x2 needs to come from the same ordered pair. This y1 and this x1 have to come from the same ordered pair. It doesn't matter which point you decide to make point 1 or which one you decide to make point 2. So if we took 1, 2, 2, which is the y, over the x, which is 1, subtract, subtract, and then 11 over 4. So 2 minus 11 is negative 9. 4 minus 1 is negative 3. And the two negatives will cancel each other out, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So m is going to be 3. So that's step 1, finding the slope. Step 2 is we need to find the b. So the easiest way to do it with these numbers is the b method. So I choose one of the points. Which ones I think is easier? I think 1, 2 is going to be easier to multiply by. That way my numbers will stay low. So I use the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And I substitute in the point and the m I found of 3 to help me solve for b. So this point, y is 2. The slope, or the m we found, was 3. The value of x from that point is 1. And we are looking for the b. So 2 equals 3 times 1 is 3, plus b. To isolate b, we're going to have to subtract 3 or put a negative 3 on both sides. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. Three, negative 3, those cancel out to be 0. And I'm left with negative 1 equals b. So now that I know my m and my b, I substitute that information into the slope-intercept form. So y equals 3x minus 1. And that's my final answer. That's what I'm going to put in. And if I'm correct, it should turn to black. And in this case, you will be correct because we just did it together. So that's just a quick review of the things or the steps you need to take to be able to write the equation when given 2 points.